Imagine if your training sessions felt more like a game you actually want to play, instead of a box you have to tick. That's what gamification is all about, taking the best parts of games and using them to make learning fun, focused, and effective. Gamification doesn't mean turning your whole course into a video game. It means adding simple game elements to your existing training. Things like points, levels, challenges, and rewards that nudge people to keep going. Why does this work so well? Our brains love clear goals, quick feedback, and a sense of progress. Games give us all three. When you bring those same ingredients into training, people pay more attention, remember more, and actually finish what they start. Here's a simple framework you can use. Step 1. Define the behavior you want to see. Do you want learners to complete modules faster? Apply a new skill on the job? Pass a safety check on the first try? Be specific. The game should guide people toward that behavior. Step 2. Choose game mechanics that fit. For example, use points to reward completing lessons, levels to show advancement, and badges to recognize key milestones. Use challenges or quests for real-world tasks like have 3 successful sales calls using this new script. Step 3. Give fast, clear feedback. Don't make people guess how they're doing. Progress bars, instant scores, short quizzes, and quick messages like, "Nice work, you just unlocked level 2, keep motivation high. Step 4. Celebrate, but be smart about rewards. Small digital rewards, status on a leaderboard, or access to bonus content can be enough. Make sure the focus stays on learning, not just on collecting prizes. Let's look at a few quick examples. A safety program could turn each hazard scenario into a mini mission. A customer service course could have a boss level, where learners handle a tough customer story. New hire onboarding can become a journey map, where each completed step unlocks the next part of the company's story. As you design, keep it simple. Start with 1 or 2 mechanics, test them, then add more once you see what works. If you want to turn your own training ideas into clear, animated explainers, you don't need a big production team. You can go to vidfactory.ai and create your own explainer videos quickly and effortlessly.